네.
Girl. So who's the eldest? Extremely low. They were designed to look like two giant microphones.
Walking alone on the shores of longing. I miss you.
Good. Yeah, thank you. 그다가 찍대.
Akan gua karab di rumah. Hajro.
Akan pulang ke kau? Mahal lah siya. Mahal ka TV dari City. Ang mga SDB, mga housing na sa mga
Singapore flyer. Cuma semua mereka orang berapa dia karab dia. Kai.
네.
이건 자꾸 시켰네.
Dahil morning hotel na to.
Alam ko ang map dito ba? Sige, kung ano rin yung magkukuha sa
So,
ano.
kung dili kalipan. Wala pila na ka-stocks ko. Karon na ata din mo. Pwede rin natin. Ang city wala na kung malayo ang mga nagpupong wala kung pangangko. Tayo kaya mo balay ba? Wala pa ba yung ka-stocks? Kaya mo sa mga ay, karapin din purple ka? Wait.
Ito mo?
Dia nasa kawan.
We've got a triplets on board. Two boys and one girl. So who's the eldest? The Nits Gallery, the Esplanade. What else? The Burr Lion. After that, we swim back. Of course, we'll drop you up to where we started our journey. Sunset City. I'm sitting on flying in Sunset City. I know you guys are a little bit excited to meet the good-looking gentleman here behind me. I don't want to block the view. The man who's behind the wheel now driving for us is our late captain. His name is Captain Robert. Equally good looking onto his right. Take a look. With well-developed muscles and a broad shoulders, curly strands of hair. Captain, say hi to our guest. Alright, 25 years old. Times 2. Alright, minus 6. You add 8 more. You do.
Oh my god, what the god.
Be very smooth. Extremely low. On a normal day, water should reach there, the water level. They had to release the water of the dam. We are expecting heavy rains in the next couple of days, otherwise we get flooded. This is where about 80% of Singapore's rainwater is being produced. designed to look like two giant microphones, the top of a microphone. He was never designed to look like durians, right? The soft tourists, those are pineapples. The soft locals, those are durians. Whether pineapple or durian, it's very expensive. $600 million to truck that. And I don't usually talk about this. If we were to count those variously angled aluminum spikes, those would total to 7,139 spikes, 7139. And those more than 7,000 spikes, they are being cleaned manually. That's one of the toughest jobs here. Imagine taking your